Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect your Gmail account to Grok AI. To get started, go to Grok and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your username or profile menu. From the menu that appears, select Connectors. Now, on the Connectors page, look for Gmail. Once you find it, click on it. After opening the Gmail connector page, you should see a Connect button in the top right corner. Click on Connect to start the setup. Grok will now ask you to sign in with your Google account. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect. After signing in, you'll see a Permissions page. This is where Google shows you what Grok is requesting access to. To complete the connection, select the required permissions. If there is a Select All option, click on it, because Grok may need these permissions to connect properly. Once everything is selected, scroll down and click Continue. Now wait for the connection process to finish. If everything was done correctly, Gmail should now appear under your installed connectors inside Grok. From there, you can start using Gmail with Grok, depending on the features available in your account. If you ever want to remove the connection, click on the three dots next to Gmail, then choose Disconnect. And if the connection stops working or you run into any issue, you can use the Re-Authenticate option to reconnect your Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully connected Gmail to Grok. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.